Welcome to the Windows and Computer channel, and this is a little update on what's going to happen first of all this week, and also to remind everybody that we will have a change this month in updates. So the first thing to know is that tomorrow, May 12th, will be Patch Tuesday. So tomorrow we will start having the security updates for the month of May. A lot of people kind of, cringed a little bit, thought, well, this could be paused, because what's happening in this month of May is that we won't have, and we're not supposed to have any other types of updates. Microsoft has said that the regular bug fixing updates that they actually release every month for the different versions of Windows 10 is not going to happen this month. And they're pausing because of what's happening with the COVID-19. Now, the funniest part of this is that they should have started that in April. I don't know why they're waiting until May, but, that's Microsoft's weirdness for you. But we do have security updates, and I think it's going to be an important one because I keep hearing that there's a really important zero-day flaw that's going to be fixed tomorrow. So that means there's going to be a lot of importance probably in these updates. It's also going to be interesting to see how many updates we get, because in the past few months, the amount of security updates has been amazing. And just, looking at the crazy amount of security flaws that have been fixed, just makes me wonder how secure you could be now if you're still using an old operating system like Windows 7. So this is going to happen this week. And remember that if you were looking for bug fixes updates this month, it's not going to happen. We're only going to have one update, and it is going to be the security updates tomorrow, Tuesday, May the 12th. And of course, we'll be looking at the updates. And we'll be looking at what, are the security bulletins and how critical all of these updates will be tomorrow. So more videos to come, of course, this week also and today. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.